Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Lochana Amar, studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bangalore. I am from the Department of Information Science and Engineering. Today in this video, I am going to discuss about the subject OOPS with Java. The subject code is BCS306A. And the topic of this subject is Object as Parameter in Java. First, let us see about Introduction to Java Objects. Java is an object-oriented programming language. Objects are instances of classes that encapsulate data and behavior. Understanding objects is crucial for effective Java programming. So now let us come to know what is parameter. A parameter is a variable used to pass information to methods. Parameter allow methods to accept inputs and perform operations. They can be of any data type including objects. So now let us see passing objects as parameters. Objects can be passed to methods to provide data and functionality. This allows for greater flexibility and reusability of code. When an object is passed, a reference to the object is sent, not the object itself. So now let us see some more about parameters. Here we will see about method defining with object parameters. A method can be defined to take an object as a parameter. The object parameter can be of any class type. This allows method to manipulate the object's state and behavior. Now let us see the example of object parameter in Java. Consider a class car with properties like make and model. A method can be defined to accept a car object as a parameter. This method can be then access and modify the properties of the car object. This code snap defines a simple car class. It has a constructor that initializes the make and the model attributes. Instance of the class can be created to represent different cars. Here is the code example. Car class Java, class car, string make and string model, which is the constructor, and car string make string model. This dot make is equal to make, this dot model is equal to model. This method takes a car object as a parameter. It prints details of the car using the object's properties. This demonstrates how to use an object as a parameter effectively. Here is another one example. Here let me discuss about effects of passing objects. Passing an object to a parameter method allows the method to access its properties. Changes made to the object's properties within the method affect the original product. This is due to the reference nature of the object passing in Java. Next, let us see about modifying object properties. Method can modify the properties of an object passed as a parameter. This allows for dynamic and flexible code. However, it may lead to the unintended side effects if not managed carefully. This method updates model of the car object passed to it. After invoking this method, the original object's model will change. This showcases the mutable nature of the object in Java. Here is the one example. Here let us see another topic, passing multiple objects. A method can accept multiple objects as parameters. This allows complex interactions between different objects. It enhances the method's functionality and versatility. This method accepts car object for comparison. It can implement logic to compare their properties. This is useful for operations that invoke multiple entities. Here is one example. Now let us see using interfaces as parameters. Java allows objects of any class that implements a specific interface to be passed. This encourages polymorphism and flexibility in method design. It enables writing more generic and reusable code. This method takes any object that implements the vehicle interface. It can evoke the start method on the past vehicle. This is demonstrates polymorphism in action. Here is one example. Best practices for object parameters. Clearly define the purpose of each object parameter. Avoid passing too many parameters to maintain method clarity. Consider using a data structure or a custom class to group related parameters. Here let me see about the common pitfalls. Modifying an object within a method can lead to side effects. Ensure that method contracts specify whether object will be modified. Avoid passing mutable objects when immutability is desired. Alternative returning object. Instead of passing objects, method can return modified objects. This approach can reduce side effects in calling code. It promotes a more functional style of programming. This method modifies the car object and return it. The caller can use the returned object as needed. This approach helps in keeping the original method intent clear. Here is one example. So last, let us see about the conclusion. Mastering the use of object as parameters enhances the code flexibility. It encourages better design, patterns and reusability in Java applications. Continue exploring this topic to deepen your understanding of Java. Thank you for watching my video.